Do you find that your Facebook reach has gone down? And when you try to promote or brand yourself, your business, your Facebook Lives, your posts, interactions very low? Are you not getting much reach on your posts? Yes, like relate to that, okay? But you must be thinking, Chris, I have 3,000 friends, 4,000 friends. I explained to you why it's happening, and also share a simple tool to help you get your reach better and also detox your Facebook friends. Okay, hello, I'm Chris here, christmas.com, and welcome to the video. So, you want your post to reach out to more people to get better interaction. But I bet you've got so many profiles on your Facebook friends that is not getting enough reach. Because Facebook now only shows a certain percentage to your friends you have. For example, now if you've got 3,000 friends, only a couple hundred or 1,000 see that post each time, because Facebook limits it. And also Facebook, they know what they're doing. They're a very clever platform. If you're interacting with people, they won't show it. So for example, now you've got 500 people inactive or don't bother with Facebook anymore. That affects your algorithm. Okay, so I'm showing you now a tool. Okay, if I go over to this now, as you see, it's called Facebook Friend Mover Pro. It's a free tool. I've used it and I cleared out about 285 people today on it. So what you do, you type it in, okay, you go, make sure, sorry, you're using Google Chrome for this extension. You go to the link, okay, I've added mine to it. Once you add it, go add that to your Chrome, then you come to the top here and then you see then a small icon in the top of your, sorry, just delete that. There's time there for you on it. Small icon, okay, with a man in it. What you do, you press that then on, and then it brings up, goes to all your friends. Couple something gets done. It takes a couple of seconds all to download all your lists in here. And what you must do when it says you can look at the profiles or the names you interact all the time. And if there's some people you go, oh, I don't know a person, or I haven't interacted with that person for a long time, okay? Let me just click on one, right? I just click on, okay? Just click on anybody, okay? Sorry. Right? You click on then, Faye Davis. That comes up on the side, and then you go over then to move friends. So you click on 10 people to 100 people more. It shows up then, look, see it? In per year. Sorry, just did that. Once you do that then, you just put in the bottom here, remove friends, and then it moves them people here. But make sure, okay, you don't click on people you don't want to remove. And that will help you get the reach out of your post better, because Facebook knows who you're interacting with. They know who you're talking to privately in the Facebook Messenger. And they will say, these people are interacting, and they show the post to more people and their friends as well. And your posts, your Facebook Lives get out to wider reach. And that's how you brand your business, whatever you do on Facebook, to a wider audience. And also, you detox your Facebook as well. Okay, because there's no point having 500 friends on your list who you don't speak to or inactive. I bet the few hundred people you added a few years ago that you don't interact anymore. So have a look through your friends. Have a look through that little app. It's free. I bet and guarantee you your reach will be much better the next couple of weeks by more consistency, okay? So I hope you enjoy that simple tip to help you get your post shown to more people. The more people it shows, the better your brand will be. Okay? So if you enjoyed this tip, put in the comment below and what you like with it. And if you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. I put out daily content or weekly content to help you build your business online. So till then, have a Sunday, take care.